Hi Pink Angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Talking you through my skincare routine. I am obsessed with skincare and I really wanted to share with you the products that I love and talk you through what products I use and how I use them. So if you enjoy this video, please do not forget to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe with that button down below, or you can click my face here or click my face at the end. It really does help me out and I really do appreciate everyone who subscribes. I'm so close to 500 subscribers and that is just insane to me. Like 500 of you, that is so crazy, and I really appreciate you all so much. So if you haven't already, please do make sure to subscribe. My name is Amy and I post beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos all involving lots and lots of pink, and I really do welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is a happy pink place on the internet where we just chat about all things pink and sparkly. So if that is your kind of thing, then please do come and join, and I welcome you to the Pink Angel family. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get started talking you through my skincare routine. I have a pumpkin spice candle burning over there and it smells absolutely amazing. Like it just smells like autumn and I'm living for it. So just as a little disclaimer, I'm well aware that my skin is not perfect. I do have spots and I have under eye bags. Everyone gets these things. It's just something we have to deal with. Skincare to me is part of self-care and really looking after yourself. I just like to feel like I'm pampering myself and taking care of myself in the best way that I can, and I do think that if I didn't use some of these products, my skin would definitely be a lot worse. My skin type is oily, but in between seasons it can be a combination, so it is at the moment a little bit more dry, but as soon as I put makeup on it, like throughout the day, my makeup will get super greasy and my skin gets really oily, which is very annoying, but something that I've learned to deal with. And also I have sensitive skin. I have to be careful about what products I put on my skin, and I also have suffered from spots quite badly since I was around 12. I'm now 22. I still get them. There was like a couple of years when my skin was pretty good, like a couple of years ago, which was lovely, but it's back to being not so great. But it's just something that I learned to live with. I learned to deal with it. I know how to cover my spots, and it's just something that I am continuously working on, and I've found some really great products that have been helping me a lot recently. So this is in the evening when I come home and I remove my makeup. So I take a cotton pad and some simple micellar cleansing water. This, I have been using this for years. I really do love this micellar water. I don't find that this irritates my skin, and I just think it's really gentle and it cleanses your makeup beautifully. If I don't do any other steps, like if I always try and do a skincare routine no matter how tired I am. So I obviously don't do like all of these steps every single night, but if I only do one, then it would definitely be removing my makeup. And I do this like even if I've been out partying and whatnot, I will leave a cotton pad and this micellar water next to my bed, and I will make sure that I get into bed and take off my makeup because I've never gone to bed with my makeup on. I absolutely love this. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. I use this in the morning if I feel like I need to, or in the evening. I just absolutely adore this. So the next step for me is I normally go into the bath in the evenings and I will cleanse my skin using one of these two cleansers. So I'm obsessed with Pixi skincare. I think it's such a beautiful brand. I have been using Pixi since I was 18 years old. That is when Pixi was kind of first available in the UK, and since then I've been obsessed with the products. They are a little bit more high-end, however now they also sell them in Boots, and what I do is if there's a deal on, like maybe 3 for 2 or like buy one get one half price, then I will stock up on some of my favourite pieces. So the cleansers that I really like are the Glow Mud cleanser and then the Rose Cream cleanser. I think the rose one is my favourite. It smells amazing, and also these bottles are just so pretty. You can tell how much I've loved these. I'm almost done both of them, and I just think that these cleansers are so gentle. So I like to spend a good amount of time, probably around 30 seconds to a minute, working this into my skin. I really like to make sure that I cleanse every single part of my skin because it's easy to neglect certain parts, and I make sure to really work the product into my skin and rinse this off with water. It just leaves my skin feeling so soft and so cleansed. And then when I get out of the bath, my pores are nice and open. It's normally time for a face mask. So the one that I have been loving lately is obviously pink, and it is this mask here, and it's from Alya Skin, and it is the Pink Perfect Australian Clay Mask, which is to detoxify and brighten. So this is cruelty free and vegan, and it smells like rose. It smells absolutely amazing, and I was very kindly gifted this. The company reached out to me on Instagram and asked if they could send it to me, and I said absolutely, because I had actually been looking into buying this myself anyway, which was perfect. It is, again, like the Pixi products, it is a little bit more high end. However, I really do love this mask. It has made a difference to my skin. I feel like a lot of the time when you put on a kind of clay detoxifying mask, when you take it off, your skin feels quite dry, but this doesn't. My skin genuinely feels so hydrated, which I find is so unusual with these kinds of masks. So this is what the little pot looks like. It's baby pink, so it's absolutely adorable. Obviously this company did reach out to me on Instagram, but I made sure to give it a really good try before I recommended it to you guys. So I've been using this for over a month, and I really do enjoy it. I took it on holiday and I used it most days on holiday, and it just has left my skin feeling so amazing. You get a good amount of product. Obviously I've been using this for around a month and there's still a lot left, so I absolutely adore this. It smells so good, and it's just a really lovely mask, and you leave this on for around 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off and your skin just feels amazing. So if you would like to receive 15% off your order, I also have a discount code. It's just my Instagram, which is Aloha Amy _. I don't get any commission out of that code, it just helps you guys out. If you are going to be buying this, you may as well get 15% off, and I really wanted to help you guys out. So if you do buy this, then let me know what you think of it, because I really do love this mask, and plus it's baby pink, so it's very Instagrammable, it's very pretty and very cute. So next up is a new product that I just got last week, and this is really cool. This is the Body Shop Drops of Light. I saw this on Instagram and I was really intrigued by this, and it is a pure resurfacing liquid peel. Just pop a couple of pumps of this onto your hand and massage it onto dry skin, and you can see the little balls of dead skin just balling up in your hand. It's the weirdest thing. Just rinse your face with water and it just leaves your skin feeling so soft. So I went for the Drops of Light because the lady in the Body Shop said that that's meant to help with like scarring and like pigmentation issues, which I definitely do have scars from spots that I've had in the past, and that is something that I'm trying to get rid of. So then one of my favourite steps is toning. I have two toners that I really like. I have this one, which is the Body Shop Vitamin E. I really like the Vitamin E range. It's just very gentle and feels very soft and cleansing on the skin, and this is just a nice simple toner. It just does what it says. It just cleanses your skin and leaves it feeling nice and nourished and moisturised. And then my all-time favourite is the Pixi Glow Tonic. So this is a 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner, and I honestly notice such a difference when I use this on my skin. It just feels so much more glowy and bright, and it just evens out your skin tone. And I've been using this since I was 18 years old, and I feel like my skin has really improved over time using this. Even when you think you've removed all of your makeup, like you've used micellar water, you've used a cleanser, you use this and there's still dirt. So Pixi Glow Tonic just lifts all of that dirt. So I really recommend Pixi Glow. It is about £18 for this bottle, but this lasts me a long time. And I use this like a good few times a week, so I really recommend it. I don't recommend using it every single day, because if you keep exfoliating too much, you will literally have no skin left, but I do really recommend this. Then on to moisturiser. The moisturiser that I really love is the Vitamin E, and this is the Gel Moisture Cream for normal to combination skin. It just looks like this, and it's really cool. It looks and smells kind of like hair gel to me. Like it is that texture, like a gel obviously, and it smells like hair gel, but I really like it actually. It makes my skin feel so soft and it doesn't break me out, and I find that quite a lot of the time when I put any kind of moisturiser on my skin, my face gets really red, and that's not what you want when you're about to apply your makeup. So this doesn't happen with this moisturiser, so I really recommend it for that. If you have sensitive skin, that doesn't happen for me, so I really like that. And then I also pop on some of the Body Shop Vitamin E eye cream. I don't honestly notice any difference using an eye cream, but when I turned 21 I thought I really should maybe start using eye cream. I don't know if this is going to help me out in the future or what, but for now I use this. It's nice, feels quite pampering just to pop some nice eye cream on. It's really nice in the summertime if you pop an eye cream in the fridge and you put that under your eyes, it's really nice. But yeah, I honestly can't say that eye cream has made a huge difference to my life. I haven't got rid of my dark circles or anything, but my dark circles aren't too bad, so I'm not too bothered about that, but maybe in the future I'll see a difference. I don't really know. So around 3 times a week I really like to use a serum on my skin. I just feel like before bed it's really nice to apply a nice rich serum. It just makes your skin feel really soft. In the morning you wake up and you're just feeling all soft and smooth and glowy. And again, from the same range, I really like to use the Body Shop Vitamin E Overnight Serum in Oil. This has protective vitamin E and moisturising wheat germ oil. So this is for all skin types, and the reason I picked this is because it's so gentle, it doesn't irritate my skin. And as a gal with oily skin, the idea of putting some sort of oil onto my oily skin, that just freaks me out a little bit. So for the longest time I didn't use a serum, and then I tried this and I realised that actually it's really good. It matches my nails perfect. But basically I just really like this. It just leaves my skin really glowy, really soft and smooth, and I just feel like sometimes your skin just needs that hydration, and it's just a really nice product. So one of my more recent skincare brands that I've tested out is Badescu, and I've been wanting to test it for a while, and then I decided just to buy a whole load of things, and oh my gosh, I love Badescu. It is such a good skincare brand. So here are the products that I bought and how I use them. So I have the facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. You can see how much I've used of this. This just leaves your skin feeling so soft and hydrated. It just feels really nice on the skin. Then my 2 favourite products probably in like the entire skincare routine, and that is my Badescu buffering lotion and the drying lotion. So I'm sure you will most likely have heard of the drying lotion. Kylie Jenner uses this, so I decided to try this, and then I found the buffering lotion online as well, and I'd actually never heard of this, and this has probably made one of the biggest differences to my life. So I've suffered quite a lot with under the skin spots, ones that are really just stuck there, you can't really get rid of them, and I do not know what is in this product. Like, there's just lots of big words that I don't know what they are, but this has made the biggest difference. So you just basically squeeze a little bit out onto your finger. It's very kind of watery texture, but you just have to quickly do that and then pop it onto a spot, and this just gets rid of under the skin spots. As soon as you feel one coming, I find that you get this stuff on quick, it really does stop any big spots like that, which is amazing because I feel like they're the worst kind of spots to get because you just can't hide them, they're painful, and they're just not fun. So this product has been amazing, and I 10 out of 10 recommend this to everyone who has that kind of problem, and I really do love it. And then the drying lotion, this is my second little bottle because I knocked over the first one, which was really stupid of me. So this one I protect. It's glass, which is, it's risky and I don't trust myself with it, but I'm really careful, and basically it's gotten a little bit mixed up at the moment. So basically you just stick a little cotton bud into this product and you don't shake it, and then you just take the little cotton bud out and then pop it over any spots, and overnight it just dries them out. This does make a huge difference. If you see a spot coming, you just whack some of this on and it gets rid of it in a day. I know that my skin is never going to be perfect, and I've kind of grown to accept that and deal with it. I find that these Badescu products really help with any spots that are popping up, that are appearing. It's really helping to ease them. So those products have been really life-saving for me. I just find that it makes me feel a lot more confident when obviously my skin's clearer, and these products have been amazing for that. So if you're suffering from spots and things like that, then do give these a go. They are not super expensive, and I really do feel like they've made a big difference to my skin, and I really do recommend them. The last couple of products are just kind of honourable mentions. So one thing that I swear by is coconut oil. If you want to grow your eyelashes or your eyebrows, coconut oil really does work. I accidentally found this out. I was just putting coconut oil on to remove my eye makeup one time, and then I kind of just moisturised it in, put it over my brows, and I ended up noticing after like a couple of weeks of doing this that my eyebrows grew in really well. So I used to have a massive gap in my eyebrow where I accidentally threaded half my eyebrow off when I was in high school. It was a big mistake. I don't know why I decided to thread my own eyebrows. It was a mistake and I don't recommend it, but I basically had like a big gap in my eyebrow for years because of that, and then my eyebrow magically grew back after using coconut oil. So since I discovered that, most evenings I just take a little bit of coconut oil and I apply it over my eyelashes, rub it in, and then rub it through my brows, and it just really helps to make my eyelashes nice and conditioned. And also it helps, I feel like when I'm using eyelashes, like false eyelashes, I'm pulling off like my actual eyelashes with the false lashes sometimes, so it's really nice to just take care of my lashes and like condition them after I've done that, and then also obviously keep my eyebrows looking full. So I really recommend this. And then a good old trusty spot treatment if you have a really like kind of painful angry spot that you don't want to put drying lotion on because that will sting really badly. I use Sudocrem on that. Sudocrem is a good old trusty spot treatment that everyone seems to use. I've used this since high school and it does work really well, so I do recommend that. And then the final part of my skincare routine is to use some lip balm, and I use this one from Ted Baker, and this one at the moment that I'm using is the vanilla scent. So I have like some berry scented ones and then the vanilla, and I really like this. I can't deal with dry lips or dry skin, so lip balm all the time is a must. So obviously that is a lot of skincare products, and I don't use every single one every single day. I just like to use them for certain things, certain treatments and things when I need them, and overall I just basically remove my makeup, cleanse my skin, exfoliate every few days and moisturise, and then some sort of treatment. It sounds a bit complicated, but I just really love skincare. I really love testing it out, and I know that you guys do love skincare as well because we like to chat about that on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at @alohaamy_, so you can follow me on there and we can chat about skincare. So yeah, that is my skincare routine. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and it gave you some advice, some help, and maybe some good product recommendations. I am really passionate about good skincare, taking care of yourself and making sure that you feel amazing, and I think that skincare is the way to do that. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!